Okay, welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This key here was set up like this in order for work. Now you can change the whole cover or the shell when you see like here is playing. You don't need to lose your key, so you can go ahead and change everything out of it, get a new shell. So here we have this one, it's coming out by itself. The guy put some stuff inside, I don't know what it is. Okay, oh, it's broke. So what you need to do is you have to have this one here, but before you go crazy, you have two things to do. First, take that one out, and also don't forget to take the shell out, and take the chip out of it. This one it may be a little bit hard, especially if somebody put a glue on it. Somebody put a glue on it. If you put a glue, it's not easy to move. See here, so you have to fight to take it out. Wow. Wow. This glue was put inside here. Harder and harder. To save the key now. All this just to save the key shell. If we're able, be careful when you take it down. You see here, I almost messed up with this one, but be careful that everything is okay. So now what you need to do is clean it up. Get a razor blade. Do not mess with it. So here is the new shell. You know, they put this one to hold it. So be sure that everything is okay. Now we have one that's not inside. Take this one. Try to put it good now there. Be sure everything is good. Okay. Where is gonna be? Here. Good. Okay. Now we're gonna take our see there is something here. This for the pin here. first one is to put our chip inside. The chip is good, and the cup. Okay, now we have this ready to